doing some sweet potato harvesting. So far, we have this teeny little bit.
The potato!
Yeah, we grew regular potatoes in here too.
How's it going, hon?
Good. We already harvested a bunch of the bigger ones out of here to get them before the bugs did.
Mmm.
And we probably could let these go longer, but once we get into the heavy rainy season, we found that if we leave them in the ground, they often will split because of that extra water. So, and plus there's fall crops that I want to put in this bed. So
There you go. We need to get these out of here to make room for the new.
Yep.
Do you have to watch out for the rock
Going? Nope, just watch out. There's still some onions hiding down in there, but other than that, and then there's that echinacea end. Split a little bit. Yeah.
That's okay. The ones that split a little bit, we'll just
Yeah,
consume.
that's what they do when they get too much rain right at harvest time. They crack open and then they don't really save. So,
Yeah, so you just have to consume them
yep.
sooner than later.
Eat them quicker. Josh is our fearless one. He'll just get into anything. Huge help.
Ooh, nice one.
I was gonna help you more, Nate, but I got this now.
Hey, Biddle Boo, what you want to do?
I think.
Gonna help dig in the dirt.
What? Teeny winky tater.
The teeny winky tater.
Yeah.
So, Love,
Yo,
how is this? Harvesting in the garden.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. We're hoping that you'll be able to do a whole lot more of that in the future, huh?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say about that?
Well, we're hoping that we get to launch a permaculture design consulting business and offer that service to people locally and abroad. So possibly phone consultations, doing stuff over the internet, whatnot. So we can do off-site permaculture design consulting. But we have to wait until the website gets built
Yes.
that the beautiful woman holding the camera is working on.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are the kind of spiders we're dealing with in here. They're huge. That's like the size of a silver dollar, right?
Yeah.
Big. Yucky. Yes, and Caleb is helping with the website too. It's a totally new experience for the both of us, and I can definitely say I have a new respect for people out there who spend all day as their job making websites for people. It's not easy, especially for someone who's like me. I'm not techie at all. So thankfully Caleb is helping me a lot to figure out a lot of different problems. So today's video was going to be mostly just kind of catching you all up on some of the... Whoa, what'd you find?
A big bean.
A big bean. That's a rattlesnake bean. We wanted to try and catch you all up on just some of what's been going on. It's been incredibly busy for us lately, and we feel bad that we haven't been able to think much toward videos. So hopefully today we can just catch you up a little bit. And if you're on Facebook, please let us know what's going on in your life as well. We really miss comments, and that's another part of why we're really busy right now. We're hoping to launch a new channel and have comments again. So that's up and coming soon. Something we should have done a long time ago. We're finally getting around to getting that up and going. So lots happening. Hope you all are doing well, and we'll try and catch you up in this video. You find Beetle?
Little tater.
I see. Oh, that's a tiny one.
Yeah.
Think it'll still be tasty?
Yeah.
So Beetle, what have you been up to the last few weeks?
Taters.
Digging taties?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing that today, huh? Have you been helping in the garden? Helping watch baby? Doing your Irish dancing, huh?
Yeah.
You like to watch it too. What else? Oh, you got to paint. Yesterday, was that fun? Doing watercolor painting?
Yeah.
Oh, can you think of anything else you've been up to?
No.
No? Just trying to stay cool. It's hot, isn't it? But it's gonna cool off soon. All right, Jay, you are almost 7 years old. That means you're officially starting school. You've been doing some school already, but it's official. You're homeschooling this year, huh? Has that been fun so far?
Yep.
Yeah, what's your favorite thing about school so far?
It's a school that I like. that I think is about learning numbers and things like that.
Oh, yeah, you're learning some new math online through Splash Math, huh?
It's called Splash Math.
Yeah, that's pretty fun, huh?
Yep.
And this year you're going to be learning how to organize, huh? Because you like stuff, and your stuff gets what? Does it get messy sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this year you're going to focus on organizing. You're going to keep learning to read and write. You get to join in on the history lessons, huh? Story time. Lots of fun stuff this year for you. Besides just a lot of running around and playing outside, huh?
Mhm.
That's your favorite.
Well, kind of.
Kind of. I caught Esther Pie getting a little snack. What are you eating, honey?
I think they're called rattlesnake beans.
Yes, rattlesnake beans. Those are good for just snacking on. So you're going to be 10 in December, and you're well on your way into all kinds of learning with school, huh? You've been doing that for a few years now. This year you're learning how to take over lunches for Mama, huh? Has that been fun?
Yep, and also I've been painting.
And painting, yes, that's like one of your favorites, huh? Cool. Anything else new and exciting that you've been doing lately?
Getting Abigail to sleep in the hammock.
Yeah, we were given a hammock. Thank you to our friends who blessed us with that hammock. It's been awesome. Yeah, she really loves taking naps in the hammock, huh? And that's been a huge help for Mama. All right, Needy's up next. Nathan, how old are you?
12.
12, yeah. Sometimes I forget. So we're back into school, and one of the things you're going to be doing this year is carpentry, huh? Because you love to build things. So how's that been going?
Good. I've been doing a lot of carpentry lately. I just recently built a computer desk for us boys' computer.
Yeah, you guys were having to deal with computers on your bed. That wasn't fun, huh? So now you have a really nice little desk where you guys can keep your computers, and then the beds can be used for beds.
Yep.
Cool. And Joshua is lounging
Yep.
on this nice new hammock. It's a huge blessing. Hammocks on a day like today are like the only place I really want to be. Well, the garden's nice too, but
Yeah.
so Josh, what are you up to lately?
I've been watching and learning about ants.
Yes. You're trying to start your own little ant hive, huh?
Yep.
In a container, which is quite tricky. You got to find the queen, and then get the whole environment has to be just right. And
Yeah.
so we'll see if that's successful. That's kind of fun. And you've been helping me a lot in the garden. That's been great. Researching things for me and getting right in there and digging out vines and hauling piles of old stuff away from the garden.
Yep.
Yep. I've been so busy inside with getting the new channel set up and the website and homeschool planning. Just so many things that have kept me inside lately. So today's been fun. Decided to just come out in the garden and catch up. Lots of cleanup to do out here. There's flowers that needed deadheading, tomato vines that needed trimmed, had things that needed harvested, the stevia was ready to be cut and dried, just all sorts of things. We do have some transplanting of some fall starts, so we might get to that later today, but it's pretty hot right now. So that'll have to be in the evening or later this week. So let's go catch up with Caleb now. All right, Caleb, what have you been up to besides helping a tremendous amount with this little one? Hi, little one.
Well, I've been helping with my parents' website they're working on and making them a logo.
Oh, we might have to come back to you in a minute. Are you gonna be happy, little one? She's ready for the mama. Okay. Yeah, you did the logo for us. Help with business cards. Lots of different things. It's been a huge help. Not to mention the classes that you're taking for graphic design and all the other homeschool stuff. So busy, you've been busy.
Yeah.
Cool.
is a big one.
Yeah, I think that might be the biggest for the year. It's a pretty big one.
Yeah.
But it still hasn't beat, what was that, 2015?
Yeah, you can look at that. We'll put a link right over here. It's actually when Joseph had his broken leg.
Yeah, that was the best sweet potato harvest.
That was
Some huge sweet potatoes.
That was what?
Alright guys, sweet potato harvest is done. We still have 2 more beds that are waiting, and we planted those a little bit later. The sweet potatoes and yams in the new area of the kitchen garden. Those are going to wait a few more weeks probably. Hopefully we don't get too many hard rains.
Right.
We'll see. So the children laid them all out in our add-on here on the floor on cardboard. And then we've got a few bigger ones that we harvested a while back that are all dry and cured, and they're in the new pantry waiting for winter. So it's exciting to see some food storage starting to happen in this space. It's been a slow progress in the add-on, but we're making progress little by little. The rocket mass cob is ready for its final layer, and then over here the side of the bench that's got the cedar. The pieces are not screwed on yet because we've got to do a little bit more sealing of joints in there and then fill it with pea gravel. And then that can all be sanded and screwed on and should be good to go. We may still have a few little problems to solve with the whole rocket mass system, but so far it's really turning out quite nice even with all the little hiccups. So.
Yeah.
Alright, so we did mention a new channel. Those of you who've been watching us for a long time know that comments were shut down over a year and a half ago. Not our choice. YouTube did it, and many have mentioned along the way that we should start a new channel and then hopefully get comments back. So be watching in the next few weeks ahead. We'll be hopefully announcing that, maybe kind of discreet, so you'll have to be paying attention. We're trying to keep it
on the down low.
On the down low, kind of hidden. We don't really want YouTube to know we're starting a new channel. We are really hopeful that if we start a new channel, a new account, that YouTube won't catch that and we'll be able to have comments again, because they shut us down for no real reason at all.
So also be watching, because we'll let you know when the website's up and running.
Yes. Totally dependent on how quickly Caleb and I can figure everything out. So.
Right. And I know people, I know that you'd love to support us, and a way that you can do that is shop it through our Amazon link right down below. Share our videos. In these ways, you support us, and it costs you nothing. So appreciate it if you do so.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us again today. We pray blessings
over you and yours.
And whatever you do, do it with your whole heart.